So if you accidentally lost messages on Instagram and you'd like to recover, then you're the right video, because in today's video I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on both new and old Instagram accounts. Whether you're Android or iOS user, the process is just the same. What you need to do is to follow the steps so you can recover your deleted messages. So guys, first thing first, go ahead and open your Play Store application. Now you're on the search bar, make sure to type Zaarchiver. So install this app in your device, guys. So you shall use this app later in this video. The next step, guys, is to minimize Play Store and go ahead and open your Instagram application. So make sure you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on those three dashes at the top right corner. Now select your activity, the second option. So guys, make sure you scroll down and tap on download your information. Tap on that and then tap on request a download. So guys, make sure you select Instagram and tap on next. So guys, select the second option, select types of information, tap on that. Make sure you tap the second option. So guys, on information types, make sure you select messages and then tap on next. Scroll down and choose date range. So in my case, I'll choose last week, but you can choose any range you want, and then tap on save at the bottom and then tap on submit request. So guys, you need to wait an email from Instagram, so you need to keep checking on your emails. That can come after 30 minutes or 24 hours according to your location. So keep on checking your emails.
A few moments later.
So guys, after a couple of minutes, let's go ahead and check our email box. As you can see, we have an email from Instagram. Let's open that email. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it says yes, the file you requested with the information about your account. Now close this email. Now go ahead and open your Instagram application once more. So guys, make sure you repeat the process. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on those three dashes at the top right corner and select your activity. So scroll down and then tap on download information. As you can see, the requested file is here, the date, the year, then tap on download. So guys, we prompt to submit your password. To submit your Instagram password and then tap on continue. So wait for a couple of minutes, maybe 1 minute. So open that file, that zipped file, tap on it. Now this is what I told you to install this application. Now open with Zaarchiver. Now tap on messages. As you can see guys, tap on messages and then tap on inbox. So guys, you can choose any account that you want to recover messages. So I randomly choose any account. Now tap on messages and then tap on open. Then continue with Chrome browser. So open that file again, the message file. As you can see, now you'll see the interactions that you lost earlier. So this is how you can recover your deleted messages on Instagram account. So that's it for me today. So if you find value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.